In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Samsung A05s to Smart TV. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to show you what I believe is the most convenient method to use the A05s from Samsung and connect it to a Smart TV. This will allow you to screen mirror anything that is playing and you will see it on the TV. So all that you have to do for this method is to use an alternate application. The main way that you would get this done on other Samsung devices is through SmartView. However, SmartView is not available for the A05s specifically. These budget models from Samsung don't have SmartView included, so you have to look into alternatives. For this video, the alternative that I chose is going to be by using Google Home. So in this application, you will be able to connect your TV and even other devices, and using the application, you will be able to screen mirror. So instead of using SmartView, because it is not available for this model, you have to download Google Home. Inside of the app, tap on devices that you can see over here at the bottom, and then go into the option to add a new device. Now you will be guided through the process of adding your Smart TV. Usually your TV and your phone have to be on the same Wi-Fi network. And with this done, once they are both connected and in close proximity, you will be able to tap on the TV to see more details about it. So you will see it here, including the title or name of your TV. Now, if you look at the bottom, you will find Cast My Screen. So all that you have to do is tap on the option to cast your screen using Google Home. You will get the warning telling you that mirroring allows you to cast your phone's screen and audio to your TV, and once this is done, you will be good to go. Now, anything that is playing on your phone will be cast over to your Smart TV's screen, and you will be able to control settings like the volume. You will be able to stop mirroring at any time, and you can add it to other smart devices around the house. So Google Home acts as a workaround that allows you to screen mirror because SmartView is not available natively. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Samsung A05s to Smart TV. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.